Hello. How are you?
Oh, hello.
You look thoughtful. What's on your mind?
Well, my future actually. What to do next?
You've finished school and you're trying to decide on a career.
Yes, well, maybe. There's a lot to think about. Why?
Well, there's a career you can follow that can be found in every type of business or industry you can think of. It's very highly rewarded, and it's a career you'll find anywhere in the world too.
Okay, now you have my attention. But does it have anything to do with what I'm interested in?
Yes, it's almost guaranteed. Everything from small charities to huge sports brands, fashion houses to movies, every one of them needs talented accountants to save and make money for them.
Accountants? I've never thought of myself working in finance. What does it offer?
Lots of things, and not just a brilliant salary. Firstly, there are these three words: respect, rewards, opportunities.
Keep going. I'm listening.
Firstly, respect. Accountants play a major role in every sector of business. So a career in accountancy will mean you're respected and highly valued in the organisation you work for.
Everyone likes to be valued.
Then there are opportunities and rewards. There are lots of opportunities open to you if you choose accountancy. You could work your way to the top of any organisation. And finally, reward. Both personal and career growth, while at the same time being rewarded financially too.
That's definitely got my attention. Can we start with who you are then, please?
Good question. We are ACCA, or the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, if you want our full title. We are the global body for professional accountants. With us, you can start your journey to becoming a fully qualified professional accountant.
Okay, and what do I gain from qualifying with you?
With the ACCA qualification, you could work at the very top of your chosen industry. ACCA is globally respected, and being qualified with us means you are highly desirable to employers anywhere in the world.
So I basically become fully employable in any area I choose to work in any country. Okay, now I'm really interested. How do I begin?
Where you start your journey with us depends on the qualifications you already have. Graduates with a relevant degree can start straight away with the ACCA qualification at the professional level. So you've already made a great start towards your journey to membership.
Right. And if I were to leave school instead of going to university?
Then, if you have GCSEs and A-levels or equivalent, you can start the ACCA qualification at the fundamentals level.
But what if I want to start and don't have these qualifications?
Not a problem. You can still study with ACCA by starting with our foundation level. It consists of certificates and diplomas you can achieve along the way, and then transfer to the ACCA qualification. You can then work and study to become an ACCA member.
Got it. No matter which point I'm at, I can begin the journey. I like the sound of that.
Yes. Simply put, it's suitable for anyone looking for an introductory qualification in accounting and finance. There are no entry requirements, so it's open to everyone.
Great. Now what does it actually involve? Can you explain a little, please?
Well, as you can see, there are different certificates and diplomas, and they are broadly equivalent to the levels shown here. Because it is open access, you can go straight in at the diploma level.
I guess it would make sense to start at the beginning.
Yes, absolutely. If you don't have any qualifications prior to joining us, we would strongly recommend you start with the introductory certificate and work your way through the different levels. It's clear that students who do go on to perform better in the higher level exams.
Okay, I understand the entry levels now. So tell me what's involved if I start with the introductory certificate.
If you start with the introductory certificate in financial and management accounting, you'll have to pass 2 exams and also a module about professionalism, but I'll explain more about that later.
Look forward to it. So that's 2 exams. Then what?
Then, you take the intermediate certificate in financial and management accounting, which involves 2 exams and the professionalism module if you haven't already taken it.
Okay, that all sounds reasonable.
And then, you can do the diploma in accounting and business, which involves passing 3 exams. And don't forget the professionalism module if you haven't completed it already. You see, there's a pattern forming.
Yes, I do. But what is this professionalism module you keep referring to?
Foundations in Professionalism is an online interactive module you only need to complete once. ACCA has a duty to ensure that all of its members act in an ethical and professional manner. So it's important you understand how to act accordingly, even when you are first starting out.
You're right, it is very important. Okay, what next? Am I now a qualified accountant?
Well, you're on the right track. Now you can transfer to the ACCA qualification and continue your journey to becoming a qualified accountant. You can also achieve an advanced diploma and BSc degree along the way.
A degree and a diploma? That's great. So how and where do I study?
With ACCA, it's all about flexibility. You can study from anywhere in the world, at your own pace. Full-time, part-time, online, distance learning, or attend classes offered by a tuition provider. You can find a list of ACCA-approved providers on our website, along with details of study materials and other options available.
And what support can I expect from ACCA? How do you help me along the way?
We're here for you every step of the journey. ACCA will provide you with a whole range of resources and support as you study towards gaining your qualifications with us. It can be a challenging journey, but incredibly rewarding too.
I see. And how does the support work? Tell me more.
You will have access to detailed syllabuses, study guides, examiners' reports and interviews, as well as an online magazine which provides lots of study tips and articles to help you prepare for the exams. You can network with other students too, online and at face-to-face events.
Got it. Support at every level. And how can I contact ACCA if I have some questions right now or after I've become a student?
Then you have ACCA Connect, our global customer service centre. We're basically there for you, on the phone or by email, 24/7, 365 days a year.
Looks like you'll be there when I need you. So, that's it. I've decided to go for it. What next?
Brilliant! Now you've decided to start your journey in accounting and finance with ACCA. The very next
So ACCA is a global body. We call it as a global body for finance and accounting qualification. It's a chartered accountant qualification from UK. As earlier I mentioned, this was started off in the year 1904. And now we have globally spread across in more than 183 countries. And we have globally 7,300 approved employers. What does this mean? That means global organizations are in partnership with ACCA, and ACCA works very closely with the industry. And how this helps is that, see, ACCA not only just provides a qualification, but also updates its curriculum regularly, so that with various engagements with employers and corporates and government bodies, to understand what is the future talent requirement. So that is one reason why ACCA has been able to sustain and be successful in spite of having the existence of 100+ years. It has went through the leaps and bounds of various economic challenges, what has happened across the globe in various economies. And this has also helped ACCA qualification to be more in relevance to what industry expectations are, because when we study after our academic completion, we get into the real work life. So where whatever industry requirements are there, the upcoming talent or the new talent which is coming into the market should be in relevance to meet those requirements of the industry and economy. And that way we can assure that ACCA, with its rich heritage and years of experience, has made itself to be a global professional body which is in more relevance with its own updated curriculum. So that's the biggest advantage what a student when he studies ACCA is having. That's the reason why employers prefer ACCA as the most preferred choice of qualification when they come for recruiting finance leaders, especially, or their finance talent requirements. And that is why ACCA is spread across in more than 183 countries across the globe. And if you look at the global membership, more than 54% of membership is outside UK, in spite of this qualification is from UK. So this shows the amount of relevance and recognition what this qualification has got for. And in this map, you could see the ACCA network spread across the globe. Now I'll explain about the qualification. So the ACCA qualification is split into two levels. One is the fundamental level and the second is the professional level. When we look at the fundamental level, it has got 9 papers, out of which first 3 papers are called applied knowledge level, next 6 papers are called as applied skills level. So comprising this 9 papers, it's called fundamental level. Then comes the professional level, where we have 2 mandate papers called strategic business leader and strategic business reporting. And apart from that, we have 4 optional papers, either advanced financial management, advanced performance management, advanced taxation, and advanced audit and assurance. So comprising this 13 papers, you will be able to complete the full qualification of ACCA. So the total 13 papers. After completing the academic 13 papers, you will have to complete a module called ethics and professional skills module, which is a online 20 hours learning module. Basically, that module will empower a student to know how the know-hows of being a professional accountant, especially how to work as a professional accountant with good ethics, working ethics and professionalism. So that's another module. Once you complete this, you will have to complete 36 months of practical experience, which is basically will ensure that you develop all the required competencies what is required for a finance professional. So overall, if you look at the right side of the slide here, it gives you the clear detail in terms of the competencies what you develop if through the ACCA qualification. So it not only ensures a student is getting in-depth knowledge and not only the core finance and accounting, but also on the leadership part as well. So it helps you to prepare you as a complete finance professional with leadership abilities. That's the biggest advantage what ACCA qualification provides. And I'll just move to the next slide. So if you globally look at ACCA professionals across the globe, if you can look at, if you take on an average globally, if you take top 5 CEOs in that, you will surely find 1 or 2 ACCA professionals heading the large organization as CFOs or CEOs. So, or the head of the finance function. That's the biggest advantage. The reason why is I'll explain you in the coming slides. And similarly, when you look at Fortune 2000, as I already mentioned that more than 7,300 employers globally are ACCA approved employers. That's the employer network what ACCA has got as a professional network. And you can find, you take any top 10 Forbes 100 list companies, you will surely find 1 or 2 ACCA qualified professionals heading those organizations. Now that's the kind of recognition what you have from the industry. And apart from this, these are some of our leading corporates in India who work closely with ACCA and who keep recruiting ACCA regularly. And for all your kind information, yesterday alone, EY has published a requirement of around 1,000 plus ACCA qualified members, affiliates for various roles within this organization, within their organization. Just yesterday, this has been published. You can go and see this on the job posting in our ACCA career portal, as well as in our in EY career portal, I mean, in the website. And apart from that, recently we also have other organizations. We couldn't put all the organizations' names here. So you take any top 100 companies within India, or you take top 500 companies across the globe, they all prefer to hire more of ACCA to onboard ACCA talent in their team, workforce team. The simple reason is the ability what ACCA qualified talent can deliver in terms of the quality of work. So that's one of the reasons. Second is the exposure what a student when he studies ACCA he gets is the international financial reporting standards, international accounting standards and all that, the familiarity. And most importantly, ACCA thinks ahead. When I mean thinks ahead, we have already automated all our exams. The reason is the industry has changed a lot. The finance domain industry has changed a lot. That too, after pandemic, it's all the use of technology and the technical intervention, what is happening, especially in the landscape of finances, more. And so it is not only important for a person to be a well qualified person with good knowledge in accounting and finance, but they should also be efficient in terms of their IT skills. So that's where the new normal requirement is. So you can't alone just be as a finance and accounting profession, but you also need to have that right required IT skills and your agility to adopt to new ways of learning. And that's the reason why ACCA has already automated all its exams, and ACCA exams are conducted only on computer-based exams. The reason is, once you complete the qualification, once you get into your work life, you will be doing every task on your machine, I mean on your computers, and that too with the invent of latest technology like big data, artificial intelligence, and I mean cloud computing and computing and all that. A finance leader or a finance professional should have all the requests. It is not required that you need to have all the skills to write a code or do a program, but it is required how to use those systems. For example, how to use an ERP, how to use big data, or to know what is big data. It is like, see, we all initially, even though we are all not sure that we are computer professionals, but we all have a email ID. We all have a Facebook or a social media account, and every day we use those platforms quite effectively. So it is not that you have the knowledge to write a code or write a program to do that application. It is basically how you know is you are a master of how to use those platforms. So basically that's the way you also need to know these technologies or the fintech platforms, which is very important in these days for any finance professional. And in this slide, you could see what the job profiles you as an ACCA professional you will be able to work, and what the areas where you are being empowered. So these are the various job roles. For example, so generally in India, people feel that if we finish a chartered accountancy qualification only, we can go to auditing. That's a misconception. Apart from auditing, there are various roles which are available, which is put in the slide. And apart from that, after the new normal, I mean after last year, the COVID impact, now there has been more emphasis more on financial analyst and analytical based roles, new roles evolving. So for all these roles, and a qualification like ACCA, when you study, it empowers you to be competent on these areas which organizations are looking for, and you can make a career with those organizations on the areas of interest you have. For example, if somebody has want to become a compliance professional, yes, you can. Suppose you want to become as a forensic accounting specialist or a financial analyst or business analyst. So you have various domains. It's not only taxation or auditing. Apart from that, you have various other areas of scope of career, which you all can make use by recognized qualification like ACCA. So in this slide, I just want to explain how ACCA not only prepares for finance and accounting skills, but also the various core part of the qualification. As I said earlier, to empower the leadership skills and reporting skills, we have those two essential papers called Strategic Business Leader and the Strategic Business Reporting. This is it's a fully loaded MBA into these two modules. So it's not only when you study ACCA, it is not only that you are completing a professional qualification, but you are also coming out as a leadership and a person with leadership and managerial skills as a management professional as well. And as I said earlier, ethics and professional skills. See, yes, at ACCA, ethics and professionalism is the core of the qualification. We want to ensure that all the accounting professionals who complete the ACCA qualification should perform and their duties and conduct themselves as a professional accountant with ethics and professional skills in the profession, making themselves to be a good accountant for the world, supporting the organizations. And similarly, as I said, ACCA thinks ahead. We have already automated all our exams to computer-based exams, because the finance professionals have to be well versed in using the modern day tools which are available to actually enhance their productivity. So these are some of the changes what ACC has brought in as per the industry requirements. And apart from that, I said ACC has got a global network. And we not only just work with employers to just create jobs, but we also engage with various professional bodies and industries, global organizations, for professional insights. Where what I mean professional insights, it's a research work wherein we discuss with global finance leaders on various new trends, emerging trends, what is happening in the finance landscape, and what are the things which new upcoming talent or a new person who is completing the qualification should be equipped with, so that they are readily employable for organizations. And once they get on board, how they are able to contribute to the organization's growth. So this is ACC as a professional body. We not only just provide the qualification, but we also actively engage with employers to ensure that the right kind of finance roles are coming for the passing out talent who are completing the ACCA qualification. And not only that, but also give that right insights, especially the professional insights, by various research activities, making them to be more competent and have that up-to-date knowledge of what is happening in the finance domain and finance landscape. So I just spoke about ACC and about the qualification. And for you all, if you look back 10 years back, we were all not aware of ACCA. Only very few people had the knowledge about ACCA. And in those days, people will have to travel abroad to complete their ACCA studies. But now that ACCA has a dedicated team in India, and with partners like Marian College and the other our approved learning partners, now students can have the access and the opportunity to study ACCA at your own place, instead of spending lots of money for an overseas travel. So now you have ACC at your doorsteps. That's what I just like to say that. So this is the advantageous situation, because now you can study ACC from here itself. And in India, we started off in the year 2013, and we have offices in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Bangalore. And in India, currently, the number of students has increased. It's around 21,000 students now. And we do have close to around 80 plus university college partnerships across India. And our learning partner network is more than 50 plus. And in India now, again, the number of employer relationships have touched close to 100 plus. When we mean 100 plus, all global and top Indian corporate MNCs, there are approved approved employer partners, which I already showed in the employer list of employer slide. So this is about the ACCA India infrastructure. And apart from that, we closely work with corporates, as I said earlier, conducting roundtables, panel discussions, and leadership events, basically to do those professional insight work, apart from not only creating jobs for students who are pursuing ACC, but also to have that right professional insights to support students on their PER and also on their continuous professional development, because that is more important. Once you complete the qualification, if you don't upgrade yourself regularly, then you become obsolete, because every day new standards are coming in place. And it is important for a professional finance professional to keep themselves updated with the latest rules, regulations, and statutory compliance and new updates, standards which has been implemented in the industry. So we do have, after, even though a student completes ACCA qualification of 13 papers, then they complete the PR, then they become a member. Every year, their membership will be renewed only if they complete the CPD, which is called continuous professional development, because now in the new normal, your continuous learning is part of your day-to-day activity, and you all will have to update yourself with the latest standards and new rules which are being implemented. So that continuous professional development is a mandate. And only if you complete that continuous professional development, your membership would be renewed. So that's where we do conduct a lot of professional development webinar series to support our ACCA students, affiliates, and members. So apart from this, I also just want to explain you one thing. You all will have to understand one thing: the difference between a professional qualification and a normal UG or a PG graduation. In a competitive world now, the industry and the organizations are looking for subject domain experts. When we mean domain experts, they seek for professionals to be part of their team, and they want the professionals to drive the organization. So if yeah, the difference between a professional qualification and a normal graduation is that the major 4 professional qualifications which we see in the society is: one is doctor, the other one is engineer, third one is an auditor or a chartered accountant, and fourth one is a lawyer. So why these 4 qualifications are called as professional qualification is the people who are complete this qualification, they are considered to be a specialist in that domain. For example, if we fall sick, we go and seek for treatment to a qualified, well qualified doctor. Similarly, if we want to set up a factory or any other engineering related thing, we go seek for consultancy and suggestions from a certified engineer, government certified engineer. Similarly, for any legal or legal and compliance related matters, we look for a good qualified lawyer. And for all statutory, financial planning, and finance related activities, we look for a good chartered accountant. So that's why these people are considered as professionals. When we mean professionals, for them, they don't have a requirement until unless they decide that they want to stop, they can continue the profession. So that's a bigger advantage. If I'm a normal graduate, if I work for an organization, there is a time organization feel that I'm not required no more, or I've just reached that age of superannuation, so I would be asked to leave after me reaching that age of retirement. But whereas in professional people with professional qualification who make a career with the professional qualification, they have a lifelong career. And the other advantage what professionals have is you can either go and work for an organization, or you can have your own startup or your own entrepreneurial organization. You will decide what you want to do. And if you want to change domains, yes, if you are a finance professional, you could change from auditing to compliance, or compliance to financial analytics, or you can switch to forensic accounting, or risk and compliance. So you have various flexibility in terms of switching your areas of interest, and you can continue to be more successful with a professional qualification. So in the competitive, ever changing new normal world, it is more important for each and every student to empower themselves and to be more professionally qualified, be as an expert or specialist in whatever area you choose to be. So this is one message which I just want to say, and that's where a qualification like ACCA helps you to make your career successful. And the good thing, other advantage what you have with ACCA is, as ACCA is recognized in more than 180 countries, you have equally considered, if you complete ACCA from India, you're equally considered to a person who has completed the ACCA in UK, where the qualification has its origin. Or you go for any Commonwealth countries, being a British qualification, you go for Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or any part of the world, ACCA qualification has got its recognition, and you will be recognized for your qualification. So when you have a qualification, the qualification should also give you recognition. So if you qualify as a ACCA student, you get all those 3 important aspects of a professional qualification. One is recognition, the other one is rewarding. It should be able to give you a high earning ability and income, because that is more important to have a successful life. So that you get. And the third and most important thing is the career mobility. See, as I said earlier, that is more important. You have a qualification, you do a qualification, you go out of the country or you go to a different part of the globe, and if they say that is not recognized there, then that qualification is not going to help you. But whereas if you have a qualification, you go across to any part of the globe, you get a recognition. That's more advantageous, because you will be treated equally to a person who is qualified in that local, I mean that country or so. So that's the biggest advantage, where ACCA stands an edge to support students who want to make a career through ACCA. And apart from that, ACCA also supports its students, members and affiliates through the ACCA career portal. You all can log into this or type in Google that ACCA careers or jobs@accglobal.com. You can see the way how ACCA supports the students who are completing the ACCA qualification through various job postings from various organizations. And apart from that, ACCA also you can search country-wise search. It's not only for India. You could see the country-wise search of different jobs available in different countries. And even in India, you can do a city-wise search, and you can categorize based on your experience. So the career portal is a huge strength for all its members and affiliates. So I request all the students to make use of these support what's being provided to the students and member affiliates of ACCA through the career portal. And I wish all of you grand success for whatever you pursue or you choose to study and be successful. And I take this moment to thank all the faculties, Marine College Management, all the participants, and my fellow professionals from the industry. Thank you once again. Wish you all success. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharvana sir. And dear participants, if you have any doubts and queries on ACCA qualifications, kindly you can ask him. Charlotte Matthews, kindly unmute the participants. Or better, you can type in the chat box also.
Students, you can just speak out with whatever questions or clarifications you require regarding ACCA. I'll be glad to support you.
Welcome Althea from ACCA as Certain Business Relationship Manager. Althea ma'am, welcome. As well as Sean Babu from ISTCA also joined. Thank you, Sean Babu. Welcome you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So one query is there. Can we please know the passing percentage of ACCA?
50%. There's another question which has come. How much time does it take to complete the course? It depends. I mean, if you study through an integrated program, then you can complete it in 3 years. Or again, how you plan. If you have completed your BCom, then you could complete in a span of 2 years. Or if you are a CA qualified, then you could just complete in a year's time. It depends on how you plan. So I'll explain how the you can plan your ACCA course completion. ACCA conducts 4 exam cycles in a year. So you normally we recommend a student to take 2 exams each cycle. So are some of them, if you feel that you are confident to appear for maximum exams, but ACCA allows you to take a maximum of 4 exams. But normally we advise you to plan for 2 exams each cycle, so that you have that required time for you to prepare yourself for those exams. But this may be an exemption case for students who have completed CA qualification, because they are different. Apart from that, everyone allowed to plan on your own independent abilities, because you know yourself better. So you have 4 exams in a year, so you can plan it accordingly. Sir, after CMA India, how much paper should be clear to crack ACCA? Yeah, after a Indian CMA, or if you are a full-time member or have 5 years of work experience, you after completing the India CMA qualification, then you will be eligible for exemption, and that too we will have to see the year of you completing the CMA qualification. So the normal standard thumb rule is, if you are a India CMA or qualified, then if you have if you are a full-time member of the institute, or if you have 5 years of work experience after completing the qualification, then you will be eligible to get 9 papers exempted, so that you will have to complete just 4 papers, the professional level 4 papers to complete the qualification. I hope that has helped. Any other questions? Yes, if you want to claim 9 paper exemption, then you will have to have experience, or you will have to be a full-time member of the institute. See, there is one more question: is ACCA worth doing in India or abroad? See, today in the new normal, after globalization, nothing is, it's called India or abroad. And normally, even overseas international students try to come and do their higher studies in India. The simple reason, the cost and affordability, what we get in India is far more economically viable, very supportive to a student. Whereas when you go and do the same studies in abroad, the expense is 3 to 4 times higher than what is happening in India. So the affordability, it depends on individual students' affordability, their background, financial background. Or else, if you are a student in India, then it's highly advisable for you to pursue ACCA within India. We have a good set of approved partner institutions across India, spread across India. And especially in Kerala, we have a very good list of approved learning partners, college partners who can support you, and you can make, and the quality of tuitions, that's more important. You get a good high quality tuitions, because now after the pandemic impact, there are more we all are going on through the online mode, and more international students are seeking for tuition support from Indian partners. So that's a bigger advantage, so make use of it. And there is one more question from Rohan. Sir, is there a course BCom plus ACCA for the student who are going to complete +2 Commerce Max? Yes, that is already there. I mean, we even in Marian College, we have a BCom with ACCA, which is where ACCA is integrated. And there are other colleges which you have mentioned, where ACCA is an integrated program. So you could reach out to those respective colleges, and you can get more details on the number of papers, because how we have given accreditation and integrated programs is the level of intensity what that college has integrated ACCA curriculum into their syllabus. So at times it may be varying from college to college. So it's better you could reach out to the respective colleges to get that clarification. Yes, in Marian we have the 9 paper integrated model. So you can look at Marian or the other college named Rajagiri, where we have 9 paper integrated model. Yeah, what you asked is right.
And again, Nayanan Bichu is asking another question. Sir, what percentage of job opportunities do we have for ACCA in India?
See, I can't give a clear statistical data. But last year alone, we were able to generate close to around 4,000 plus jobs for ACCA qualified alone. And yesterday alone from UI, we have got 1,000 job postings for various roles within the organization for ACCA qualified. Just a week before, we had close to around 400 job postings, and most of these job positions have come for EY Kochi, EY Trivandrum, EY Bangalore, EY Chennai. And especially now, most of the finance organizations, the global big four consulting companies, are looking at most of the Kerala-based cities, especially Trivandrum, Kochi, as their hub, because of the availability of quality talent pool, and it is they are becoming as the global delivery support centers for finance on the shared service setup. So the opportunities for finance professionals, especially in Kerala or South India, especially in Kerala and Bangalore, are high. And in fact, ASSOCHAM has termed South India, especially Bangalore, Chennai, Kochi, Trivandrum, as the financial hub. I mean, for fintech hub, as a fintech hub. So the investments from global investing organizations will be more with regard to finance related operations in these South Indian cities, and students who are all having professional qualifications will be of the first choice. Whatever professional qualifications they have, they will be of the first choice and preferred finance talent to get them onboarded into their teams. So I can say that students who are pursuing graduation with a professional qualification stand out of the rest of the crowd to be in high in demand, and the job opportunities what is coming is very high. And with the new normal, the flexibility what organizations are providing, especially the plans like work from home, and they are also some of the organizations are also providing support in terms of if students are engaging or committing with to have a continuity with the organization in terms of upskilling themselves through professional qualification. All that is happening. So you are not required to worry about the job opportunities. There is abundance of job opportunities which is available for finance professionals, especially for students who are having graduation with a finance qualification, professional qualifications.